If you want a slice of the $500 million bread price fixing settlement from Loblaw and its parent company, the claims process is now open for eligible Canadians. Tessa Bennett joins us in studio with more on this price scheme that began to unravel this past spring. Tessa?
Vanessa, residents who bought packaged bread for personal use between January 1st, 2001 and December 31st, 2021 can now submit a claim to receive part of that $500 million. The settlement was approved by superior courts in Ontario and Quebec earlier this year. Following a lengthy investigation and legal process, Canadian shoppers now have the chance to get their fair share of a significant settlement. A class action lawsuit connected to a nationwide price-fixing ploy on bread has come to a close.
This is an ongoing story. It really started in 2001, so allegedly 7 companies colluded for 14 years and basically fixed bread prices in Canada. So 2 bakers, George Weston and Canada Bread, and 5 retailers.
Loblaw Companies Limited and its parent company George Weston were some of the retailers accused of participating in that scheme to fix the price of bread products. Plaintiffs involved in the lawsuit say these companies knowingly engaged in a planned conspiracy between 2001 and 2015, directly causing an increase in the price of packaged bread. After the class action suit was filed, 2 separate settlement classes opened, one here in Ontario and the other in Quebec. An Ontario Superior Court judge approved the $500 million settlement in May of this year, which includes a combined $404 million to be paid by Loblaw and its parent company. The remaining $96 million are accounted for through a gift card program Loblaw provided to customers between 2018 and 2019 to rectify concerns customers had about paying more than $1.50 per loaf of bread.
The investigation is still ongoing after 10 years. It started in 2015, and we still have 4 companies under investigation. This is unheard of, and of course Canada Bread, the other company that admitted guilt, had to pay a record-breaking fine of $50 million in 2023. So there's a lot of precedents linked to the bread scandal.
To claim a share of the compensation, eligible Canadians who bought bread for personal use between January 1st, 2001 and December 31st, 2021, including items like bagged bread, buns, and English muffins, among others, can submit a form at CanadianBreadSettlement.ca or QuebecBreadSettlement.ca. A proof of purchase is not required to submit a claim. When all legal fees and other court expenses have been accounted for, 78% of the total $500 million will be eligible for shoppers in Ontario who apply, and the remaining amount is earmarked for people in Quebec. This settlement sees the end to part of a saga that also accused large grocers like Metro, Sobeys, and Walmart Canada of similar misconduct. But investigations remain ongoing, as not all of the accused companies have admitted guilt in this particular scheme. And food policy expert Sylvain Charlebois says at a time when costs in the country remain high, consumer trust in these big-name brands isn't likely to bounce back quickly.
I would say that right now, trust in grocers has hit an all-time low. I think it's starting to pick up again, it's starting to go up again, but I mean the trust factor is extremely is a problem for grocers right now.
Anyone hoping to file a claim must submit their form by December 12th, and the funds are expected to be distributed at a later date as directed by the courts.